Pool-Tite hot PVC cement is specially formulated for damp or humid conditions. From agriculture and irrigation to pool and spa applications, there is no hotter blue cement available, period. Watch as we joint pipe and pressure test it underwater. Obviously, you would never want to do this on the job site, but this demo shows you how hot, thick, and fast Pool-Tite really is. When applying Pool-Tite, you'll notice immediately that it's thicker, actually 2 to 5 times thicker than other hot PVC cements. Thicker cement clings to the pipe surface better, resulting in more cement on the pipe and less on the floor. Now we submerge the assembly and join the pipe. Pool-Tite's formula is also hotter than any other cement, quickly melting the pipe surface to weld the joint, even underwater. 25 to 50% faster than other hot cements. The result is bond strength in excess of 250 psi in 10 minutes. After solvent welding the rest of the fittings, we immediately connect our assembly to a water pump and apply pressure. Proper technique requires that the pipe and fitting assembly remain undisturbed for a period of time before applying test pressure. In this case, that time is just 15 seconds before applying 160 psi of pressure. Pool-Tite hot PVC cement holds the pipe and fitting together with a strong leak-free bond. The result is a joint that is stronger than the pipe or fitting alone. Don't settle for less. Maximize your productivity in any weather climate with Pool-Tite, the thickest, fastest, and hottest hot PVC cement on the market. Only from Oatey, the choice of plumbing professionals.